Hi everyone, today me and my dad are going to make some hills and some background. Let's start. First, draw a curvy line. Then from there, draw another curvy line. Then here, draw another one on top. And then here, do the same thing. On the top, make a curve, I meant. And then here, make some circles. Now here, more circles on the other side. And now, you can make it however, like my dad's, or you can make like this. I like this way. It's easier. There. Oops, let me make some on here. One minute. Okay, let me make one more on each side. Okay, now make a swirly line. On the top, continue on. But don't connect that. And on the other side, make another wiggly line. And like we did, do the same thing from the other side. Remember, you steal the other side. Let me make some lines because my dad did. You can also if you like. Next, we'll draw the sun. For that, we'll need a cup. Like this. So put your cup on here. Then with your pencil, whatever it is, circle it around. Oopsies. There. I like my sun. Next, we actually have one more step back left. Next, from here, if you want to make a line, you can. But I don't have room, so I won't, actually. Hee hee ha ha. I guess my dad's writing a note to someone. I guess too, he doesn't know what he's writing. I hope he does, though. That means I can make that. There. We're done. If you like, you can add some of it, the wiggly lines around. Now it's time to color, I guess. Let's start! I'll take the sun first. Actually, never mind. I'll do the grass. Never mind. Okay, I'm almost done with my sun. I need to cover all the white lines around. If your sun needed it's not room, you can put it on top, or if you see the clouds or something, you can like like this. Put it in your cup. The clouds are right there. With your marker, you do it like that. That's how. Yep, I think my dad wrote in a language. I don't know what it could be. Maybe the language is grass language? I don't understand what language he wrote in. Oh, I think that's the water, because my dad's coloring it blue, so I'll color it blue, because I was thinking it was grass. I almost colored it green. There, my water's all done. If you want, at the end you can do something. With your marker, if you draw a curve like that, and here draw another one, you can make fish. There. They're cute fish. I guess half of the grass is going to be green and the other is going to be light green. It looks like the goats made it like that. Have you read the story, The Three Billy Goats? I think that's its name. I have the grass done. Now let me go to the stones. The stones, I'll make them black. On the other side, I'll make them colorful. Oh, I was actually trying to get yellow, but I actually got green. I'm gonna get orange now. And let me get a little bit blue. This is the not blue I haven't done. And I didn't do this kind of green. Now the clouds. What? I was actually coloring like this. That doesn't make sense, silly head. I'm gonna do that idea in a sec. Now I think my dad's done. I'm going to try to finish it, and I bet I'll tell you a story or so, something like that. I'm going to color in the clouds. I'm looking at yours and it looks beautiful. Okay, I'm drawing it. Coloring, actually, I meant. Okay, I'm looking for the green. Oh, here it is. My brother's coloring the air, I guess, with his air pencil. I like air pencils. So I'm almost done. I only need to color the sky. Okay, I'm almost done with the sky too. So I'm done. I'll tell you a story now. I think we have time. Once upon a time, there was a fish. The fish had friends. It was swimming in the pond with its friends. One day, it was swimming. He saw some pieces of grass. He was like, what? He called his friends. They looked for a while. And they were like, what too? They got interested about it. So the next day, he was swimming. He saw more grass. He called his friends. And his friends were surprised. Every day he did that. But one day, there was much grass as like this. The grass spread all around the city. The city got excited. They thought it was summer, but it wasn't. They were excited, so they went outside, but it was very freezing. They put it on their coats, went outside, and it started snowing. But when it was snowing, they liked it. They played in the snow. We actually played in the snow. And that's my story. The end. Bye! I hope you had fun.